Hello, and welcome to this new AUTOMY video tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to change your password on the platform. This process is very simple, but it's important to note that it only applies to users who log in with a username and password. We know it happens. Sometimes we forget our password, or the random password AUTOMY sent you is just too hard to remember. Don't worry. Changing it is super easy, and I'll guide you step by step. First, go to AUTOMY's homepage and click on Forgot My Password. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Then, click Send, and you'll receive an email with a link to reset your password. When you open that email, click the button that says Reset Password, and you'll be redirected to a page where you can enter your new password. Remember, your new password must meet the following security requirements. It must have at least 8 characters. Include uppercase and lowercase letters. Add at least one number. Don't forget to include a special character such as. Once you've entered your new password, retype it in the next field to confirm, and then simply click Create New Password. And that's it. Now you can log into AUTOMY with your new password and continue working without any issues.